If you have ever looked at a moving estimate and wondered how movers calculate costs, you are not alone. Understanding what goes into the price can help you plan better and avoid surprises on moving day. Let me break it down in simple terms. For local moves, the cost is usually based on time. Movers charge an hourly rate that covers the crew, the truck, and the equipment. The total time depends on how much you are moving, how far the movers need to carry items, and how easy it is to get things in and out of your home. For long-distance moves, the price works a little differently. Movers often calculate the cost based on the weight of your shipment and the distance between your old home and your new one. The more you take with you, the more the move will cost, so downsizing can save money. There are also extra services that can affect the final price. If you need packing help, storage, special handling for fragile items, or disassembly and reassembly of furniture, those services may add to the total cost. Every company lists these fees differently, so it is good to ask questions before booking. Access to your home can also play a role. If movers have to climb several flights of stairs, walk a long distance from the truck, or work around tight hallways, the job may take longer. That can increase the overall cost. One of the best ways to understand your moving price is to get multiple quotes. When you compare estimates, make sure each company includes the same services so you are comparing fairly. A written binding estimate can also give you peace of mind by locking in the price. Knowing how movers calculate costs helps you plan a smoother, more affordable move. And if you need help finding trusted movers or understanding your estimates, MoversCom has step-by-step guides and free resources to support you. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom and you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.